Everybody in my channel, today we have only permutation question for you. This question is very interesting. So let's come we start. In permutation, 5 is equal to 20. In permutation of 3, we are find the value of n is unknown. So and here according to the permutation and combination rules we have here, we are using general form of n permutation r. N is the total number of experiment and R is the selected part from the total number of experiment, and here we can write n factorial n minus R factorial. According to this term, first of all we are defined n permutation 5 factorial, we can write n factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial. Similarly, n permutation 3 we can write n factorial and n minus 3 factorial. So according to this rules we are substitute the result in here n factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial is equal to 20, n factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial. So and here this will be cancelled to each other, and we get in here n minus 5 factorial is equal to 20 and 1 divided by n minus 3 factorial. Now according to the another rule we are using n factorial. N factorial is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to so on 3.2.1. That is the general rule for the factorial. If we are in here we are expanding up to the 5 term, we can write this one 1 divided by n minus 5 factorial is equal to 20 and 1 divided by n minus 3. n minus 3 is considered as n and n minus 1, n minus 4 and to n minus 5 factorial. So n minus 5 factorial and n minus 5 factorial is cancelled. Now we have get this result 20 divided by n minus 3 and to n minus 4. Now by taking cross multiplication of this question, so we get n minus 3 and to n minus 4 is equal to 20. The n minus n square minus 4n minus 3n plus 12 is equal to 20. If we are expanding this term, n multiplied by n square, n multiplied by minus 4 minus 4n, and minus 3 multiplied by n minus 3n, minus into minus plus, and 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12. Similarly, the like terms we are adding n square minus 7n plus 12 is equal, and also we change this term minus 20 is equal to 0. Now n square minus 7n, if we add this term we get minus 8 is equal to 0. So we are using factorization method. There are 3 methods we are applying here. We can also use in here factorization, quadratic formula, and first and last term completing square. So and we are using here the first term is 1 and last term is minus 8. If we multiply we get minus 8, the middle term is required minus 7. So we are needed 2 factor minus 8n plus 1n minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 1 we get minus 7. If we multiply we get minus 8. Now we are making couples or pairs. So here n is common, n minus 8 plus 1 is common, n minus 8. Must be remember in the factorization method these 2 pairs must be same. 8 n to n plus 1 is equal to 0. So here this means that n minus 8 is equal to 0 or n plus 1 is equal to 0. So we transfer this to the right side. So their sign is also changed, n is equal to 8, and here we change, so it is minus 1. So minus 1 is not valid for this position in the factorial case. So n must be in positive. So we will get the answer is n is equal to 8. Thank you very much for watching for the interesting question. This is very important for your future life and for the college and university student. Thank you very much again. Please subscribe my channel.